it's Ariana, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I finally got my mystery box in the mail. So I ordered this on the launch day for the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website when he was doing his mystery boxes. Unfortunately, I didn't get the deluxe one, which is the one that I wanted, but I ended up with this one, which is the premium. So I got the medium-sized box instead of the deluxe box. The last mystery box that he did was in February, and I got the deluxe one, which came with a t-shirt and it came with a bunch of different products, but I ended up getting the premium one, which is the medium-sized one. And I know there is a mystery lipstick shade that he doesn't actually have released on his website in the premium and the deluxe boxes. So I'm excited to see what that one is and what it looks like and how it looks on my skin and stuff. So I am assuming that is the shade. He did say on Twitter that it is like more of a nude, very wearable pinky shade. So I'm definitely excited. This is what it looks like. So it is a really gorgeous pinky kind of nude shade almost. And the inside looks like this. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like. So definitely a very wearable shade, and I'm excited to try it. So that is the shade question mark, so mystery, I guess. So that's really cool. The next shade that I got is Doll Parts. So I don't actually own this one, so it's exciting. I was looking at it in the Morphe store, and I definitely think it's a really pretty color. It's just not really one that I would have picked out myself, considering these look very similar. This one is obviously a little bit lighter, but Doll Parts is still on the pinky side, pinky shade side, the pinky shade side, and it's just a very similar shade to what we just got for the mystery. So definitely pretty, but not one that I would have picked myself. So if you're unfamiliar with what Doll Parts looks like, it is this kind of mauvey pink shade, and ooh, it's clumpy. And it looks like that on the doe foot applicator, and it's definitely pretty, but again, it's a little bit too similar to the question mark shade for my liking. The next shade that I got in the mystery box is Celebrity Skin, but this is the Bullet, and I don't really wear lipsticks. I wear liquid lipsticks mostly, and I don't really wear like the actual tube ones, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this, but it's really cute. This is what the packaging looks like in the Bullet, and when you open it, it is this really pretty kind of, again, mauvey gray shade. So that's what it looks like. All of the shades so far have been very much on the same shade range, so definitely not my favorite, but it is a really pretty shade. I'm not gonna swatch this one though, because I definitely will be giving it away. I definitely don't need 3 lipsticks that all more or less look like they're the same color, so probably won't keep it. The next thing that I see is a pop socket. So now I have another pop socket. I still have the one from the Valentine's one. I have my pop socket on my phone already, so I haven't taken it off. So now I have 2 of them. So that's kind of neat. And that one's just an orange Jeffree Star pop socket. And then the last thing that I see in here is a liquid frost. So this is what I was mostly excited for, because I don't have any of Jeffree Star's liquid frost yet, and everybody talks online about how amazing they are, so I'm really excited. I got the color, what is it? So I got the color Crown Jewel, so it's like this gold kind of shade. So it's definitely, well, that's interesting. I don't actually know how his liquid frosts work other than what I've seen kind of online, but this is what the color that I got looks like. So it's a very gold highlighter. I definitely go more for the white kind of highlighters and the blending highlighters. I don't really go for gold, so again, this isn't really a shade that I would have picked myself, but again, that is the whole fun and purpose of mystery boxes. You don't know what you're getting. So I will definitely have to try it out in a separate video, but for now, I'll just put a little bit on my hand just to see what it looks like. So it is like a really pretty kind of gold shade. You can't even really tell, can't even really see it. It's right there. It's a really pretty gold shade, but it's definitely not one that I would have picked myself, and I don't really know if I'm going to be using it. It's just not really my shade. It's too gold for my skin tone. I need more of like a really, really light. I like the ice cold highlights, and just the really, really light blinding ones just because I'm so fair. I think that this gold is gonna look a little bit too yellow on my skin. So again, I don't know if I'm really gonna keep this, but I'll put this all to the side for now. So I think I paid about $80 or so for this mystery box, and I'm really not that impressed with it. I don't know if I will be participating in the mystery boxes again in the future, just because this is a very underwhelming mystery box for me in particular. I got three lipstick shades that basically look the exact same, and a orange pop socket that I really don't need, and a highlight shade that I won't use. So I think it is just kind of a little bit underwhelming for me, but that's okay. I think the concept of these mystery boxes is still really fun. I just don't know if I'm going to do it again in the future. I think that this mystery shade is really awesome. I'm really happy that I got this one, but as for these two shades, these ones look almost the exact same. Like, this one's more of like a matte, this one's more of like a slate gray color, which is okay, like, it looks a little bit different, but these ones look way too similar for me in particular to really be that excited about them. I would have been more than happy to get this one and then like a blue, or this one and like a red, or just something that isn't exactly that close in shades, just because I don't really care. I don't need that many nude lipsticks, and I don't even really wear nude lipsticks to begin with, so I'm not really that impressed. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video.